Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are here to try some makeup. It's been such a long time since I didn't do a makeup review on my channel, and I actually like more makeup rather than skincare, but I think that there is too many makeup reviews, so I don't do so many makeup reviews. But it will change because I really love makeup, and today we are here to try this cushion by BT Cosmetics in collaboration with BTS. So this is how the packaging looks like, and yeah, this is why also I bought it, just because of this box and the poster that comes with it. I honestly think that this box looks really cute. I really love the boys, look so handsome on it, and yeah, the poster is also amazing. I know this is purely commercial, but I'm a huge fan of BTS and I couldn't resist. Honestly, I want to buy all their collaboration. I know that they did also a collaboration with Mediheal. I think I want to buy the sheet masters because it's written BTS on it. Am I crazy? I don't know, but I think K-pop fans can understand, and yeah. So I am here to try it and we will try it right now. So let's start. So this is actually the collagen packed white version. There is also a black version, and the black version is supposed to be for oilier skins, and this one is more for a dry skin type. So yeah, obviously I choose the white one, but I think the posters and everything inside is a little different. So if you are someone who like collecting things, you can also buy the black one, but honestly I'm not that type of person. I'm just happy with this one. So before sharing with you how it looks like, how I applied it, the check-ins and so on, I want to share with you my experience with the Rosewell shop because I bought it on this shop. It was the least expensive shop where I could find this cushion, and at that time on the shop this cushion was free shipping, so this is also the main reason why I bought it. The only thing that you had to pay is actually the shipping fee for the poster for this one. I think it was something like $2, so really not expensive at all. So the cushion and the poster came in two different packages. I got first the poster in this big tube, and I will show you how the poster looks like right now. So this is what the poster looks like. As you can see, the boys are so handsome. Yeah, I really love this poster. Maybe it's a little cringy, I don't know, but yeah, I'm really happy that I have this poster. And this is how the box looks like. As you can see, I really like all the details. Here's shiny, and actually this is an official BTS product. Yeah, I really like the box, and when you unbox it you actually get some stuff. So first, inside you have this. So these are all of their drawings. I think it's so cute. And then you get just the tiny instructions with BTS and BT, and then you get their stickers that you can stick on the cushion, and I think the stickers are really amazingly cute. Like, all the packaging, I really like it. And finally comes the cushion. So I am just out of the shower and I did all my skincare routine, and before applying it I will do as I do every day, I will apply a sunscreen as my base. These days I am using this one. This is the Kitcho Ultra Moisturizing Sun Cream. I really like it, so I will just apply it as my base. I really like this sunscreen because it's really moisturizing and it doesn't have any major white cast. Actually, no white cast at all, as you can see. So now that I have my base on, I will apply it. And so this is the cushion, and it's like this. Cute. I love how the VTX is written on the puff. I think the details on this collection are really amazing. So I am just taking it like this, and let's see. Wow. Okay, it's a tiny bit too light for me. Okay, so I can already tell that there is some coverage. You can tell the difference between both sides. There is definitely some good coverage. I'm quite surprised by the coverage. It even covered my dark circles. I don't know if you can see the difference, but I can really tell the difference. I thought this would be a really light coverage cushion, but It's not. It's a medium coverage cushion. Really a medium coverage cushion. And it's so dewy. Look how my skin is glowy. This is the typical Korean dewy cushion style. So I will do the other side. Okay, so far this is how the cushion looks like. I really like it. I really love the dewy finish. It's really pretty. It doesn't look cakey at all. It looks really like a second skin, I would say. The only problem I think is the perfume inside, because I did put some here and my eyes are crying. So yeah, it's tingling. I really don't like this. So I will never use it again around my eye area. Before doing my next checking, I wanted to show you how much my eyes are crying now. So this is pretty bad. I think I'm gonna remove what I have here and I would just put some concealer. But otherwise, as you can see, the coverage is pretty good and it looks really pretty. I really like the finish. So I did the rest of my makeup and this is how it is looking like. I think the other products layers beautifully with this foundation, so I am really happy with it. And now we are really going to wait for some hours and I will do another checking to show you how the foundation looks like. So now it's been a little bit more than an hour since I have my makeup on, and honestly it's not looking that bad. I kind of like it. It's just settling a little bit weird in the fine lines, like here. I will do a close-up and show you. So here, as you can see, it's settling really badly. I don't like when foundation does that, but almost all foundation does it. There is really few dewy foundation that doesn't do it, and I wanted to precise that it's really sticky and the product is moving around really badly. Like you will see. Then you can see my fingerprint. Like it's wearing off like in seconds. So yeah, this is bad. This is really, I don't like it. But if you touch up a little bit, it's going back to just its normal state. And it's not cakey. Anyway, I will still continue the checkings and I will be right back in a few hours for a final and just an ultimate check-in and share my final thoughts with you. It will be probably almost night, so the light will be a little bit off, but you will still be able to see what the foundation looks like. So I am back for my last checking, and sorry if the light is a little weird. It's because it's dark outside and I had to turn on my light, so this is the result. It's a little bit orange and yellow. Sorry for that. But yeah, it's been now 4 hours, even more than 4 hours since I have my makeup on, and honestly I think it is doing pretty well. As I am checking right now, I think it's quite okay. So this side I did touch up a little bit before for the sake of the video, but on this side I didn't do anything, and honestly it's looking not really bad. The makeup is still on, and just on this part it's a little bit cracking, but it's not looking patchy, it's not looking really dry, just a tiny bit on my forehead. Really, I don't really have that problem, especially these days. My skin is really hydrated and I don't have any dry problems with my skin, even if I have a dry skin type. So this is a little bit weird. I think I have to try it a little bit more. I honestly don't think that this is a bad cushion. I think it's pretty good. Of course it's not the best that I have ever tried, but I still recommend it. If you have maybe an oilier skin and you can set your face, because I can't set my face, it will look too cakey and I don't like that kind of finish, but I think if you set it, it might look better. So now for all the products, I decided to rate them when I review them, and for this one I will give it a 3.5 out of 5. So that's it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Please, if you did, give it a thumbs up, and also do not hesitate to subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye guys!